To purchase a membership for the 2020 to 2021 academic year at CSUN's American Marketing Association, there are a few easy steps to follow. First, go to Google and type in CSUNAMA.org to visit our website. Once you are here, click on Membership on the navigation bar. Before moving on, please review the membership prices here. If you are a senior that is graduating in fall 2020, your dues are $40 total, and this amount includes your CSUN AMA dues as well as your AMA National Membership dues. If you will be attending CSUN in the 2020 to 2021 academic year, you will be paying $50 total, which includes your annual CSUN AMA dues and AMA National Membership dues. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have decreased prices by 50% this year to ensure our members continue to grow professionally. To find out more about benefits of joining, you can see the drop-down menus here. To pay for your membership, select Membership Payment link below. After doing so, you'll be directed to the AS Accounting and Financial Services page. Scroll down and select CashNet here, and you'll be directed to the Membership Payment page. Depending on your graduating status, enter whether your membership will be $40 or $50. Please only include the dollar amount and no dollar symbol. In the club/organization name section, type American Marketing, then ASSOC, period. Under contact name, include your full name, which includes first and last name. Under contact email, make sure to input your CSUN email only, as this is how we will confirm if you are a CSUN student. Please confirm that the information you entered is correct, then press Add to Basket. In this section, please include the card information that you would like to pay with. The cards accepted are listed on the right-hand side. Under email address, make sure to input the same CSUN email that you put on the first page. Please confirm that the information you entered is correct, then press Continue Checkout. Once you reach this page, please make sure the amount entered is accurate based on your graduating status, then press Checkout. Before submitting your payment, make sure the club information and payment information entered is accurate and hit Submit Payment. Congratulations, your transaction is now complete. However, there is just one more step you must complete in order to become an official CSUN AMA member. You have been emailed a receipt confirmation with your purchase details. Please go to your CSUN Gmail account now. In your email, find the confirmation with the subject line, "Thank you for your payment," and open it. Once you do so, forward your receipt to CSUNAMApayments@gmail.com, and in the body of the email, write your first and last name as well as your graduation month and year. Once you are done, hit send, and you are now an official CSUN AMA member. Welcome to the AMA family!